episode is sponsored by our guys at Crown Royal. Got our Crown Royal XO with some Tropicana Strawberry Peach nightcap for the win. Delicious. Welcome to But Y'all Not Listening. So, personal development and self-improvement are two key things as a business owner, as a wealth builder, as a freelancer, as anybody who's out there making their own money for themselves is something that you need to focus on at all times. No matter what's going on with your business in your life, your personal development and self-growth must continue on. That is the only way you're going to keep learning, keep teaching yourself, keep latching on to new skill sets, and as well as being able to keep developing your business on to the next step, to the next trending era, so to speak, to keep it spruced up, to keep it out and about and in the know. If you're not developing personally, and if you're not focusing on self-improvement, you're not growing, which means your brand or whatever you're representing is not. You want to continue growing. You want to continue reading books. You want to find key people that are successful and use them as your mentor. That's the only way you're going to get up into the next level. Looking around and using the same people that you already know as your mentors is not getting you anywhere. Hasn't gotten you anywhere at all yet. So you want to look at some successful people. Find at least 4 to 6 that you can truly follow along and see how they are going in their journey. People that you can learn from. Information that you don't already have. Tools you don't already know how to use. People that you can learn from and grow towards. Kind of like just setting yourself a little personal goal. This is what I want to be like. This is where I am now. Simple as that. Reading is the ultimate when it comes to business ownership. You want to continue nurturing your mind, learning and developing. Business changes daily. Dealing with grants, dealing with banks, laws, rules and regulations, state-specific information, that changes daily. You always want to be caught up on that information. You want to know, where is the next place I can get the funds? Stay in the know on that type of information at all times for your business. Growing and developing is as if you were kind of like raising a child. You started off here, you were small, you didn't know. And as you grow and level up, you will grow and become someone else's mentor that they're looking up to. Oh, this is where she started, this is where she is now. Let me see what she did. It is simple as that, guys. Personal development and self-improvement at all times. Understanding the AOB of business. And I'm not talking about any other business. I'm not talking about an assignment of benefits. I'm talking about A, achieving personal growth. O, overcoming challenges. And B, building resilience. Without these 3 things, you're not going anywhere. Your business is just basically a hobby for you. You're not going anywhere. You have to achieve personal growth. Educating yourself continuously, as I just was talking about. Overcoming challenges. The door is going to be closed in your face far more when you're starting a business than any other time in your life. When it comes to you trying to run a business, the door is just like you just going to be hitting your head on closed doors. Closed doors. No. Nobody knows your small developing business. You have to get them to know it. Overcome challenges. Challenges with inventory, challenges with marketing, challenges with customers and obtaining customers and retaining customers, challenges in your life and the changes that are going to come with you now being a business owner, entrepreneur, and doing everything for yourself. You may have people around you that's not even going to be the same towards you because of where you are trying to go. That is completely fine. You might hit rock bottom. That overcome it. Learn how to overcome challenges and not get stuck when something isn't right or it's not to what you want to do. Because with that, you're going to build resilience. And resilience is when you have people that's not supporting your brand or your product. Resilience is when you're applying for funding and you're getting told no. Continue on. Learn different ways how to do these applications. What did I put here that got me shut down? Let me change it up and switch it to this. Keyword usage is fundamental in business. Build that resilience. Your AOB is your entrepreneur Bible, basically. Those are the 3 things you should be focused on is your achieving your personal growth, overcoming challenges, and building resilience. And I'm going to help you along the way. Budgeting is a key factor in your growth as a business owner. Learn how to budget your personal finances. Key, personal. You can't manage your own. How are you managing the business? It doesn't work that way. You're not going to magically just learn how to do something because, it's a business. No. Learn how to manage your own personal finances. Learn how to set goals and challenges for yourself, and you will excel. It sounds easy, 3 little things, but these are the hardest things that is going to come about. Manage your personal finances to get to a place where you can manage a business. And I'm not talking about, you was a manager at a store, so you know what you're doing. You don't know what you're doing. You do not know what you're doing. Until you have until you have that team, there are some things that you're going to be doing on your own. And that's just that. Of course, there's tools out there where they kind of can do everything for you. You pay a fee, But for people who want to know the nitty gritty and really know how the day-to-day operations of their company, organization, or what their developers going to go, that's who I'm talking to. I'm talking to y'all. Learning how to budget your finances is the beginning of the year. We have our money savings challenge that did start on the 1st. I printed me out a copy, but this is a digital product on our Etsy shop. It does talk about if you are the problem or is money the problem. This one is just a simple $1,300 in 30 days savings challenge. Small, especially to all you big ballers. We got another saving money wisely. This is a 100-day challenge. It goes into saving $7,500 in 100 days. Simple, easy steps. You have your $500 bar, your $1,000 bar, $1,500 bar, and then you also have your $2,000 bar, $2,500 bar. Total $7,500, 100 days. Discipline, focus, retrain the brain. You can get through these challenges. You are ready to rock and roll. Two are quite aggressive, but there are some other ones on there that we do have on our Etsy shop. Digital products you can download, have on your phone. Budget, save for yourself. We talk about budgeting. Why did I start with that? Because you need money to buy inventory and products that you're selling and making or whatever you are doing. Even if it's a digital product, you need to pay for your editing apps and print app, things of that sort. So there is going to be some sort of money always involved with business. Some people have come to me in the past and they're wanting to start something. Such and such said they started with $0. No, they had something. because they had to pay for a stamp, an envelope, or packaging, or if it was a digital product, they had to pay for what they're editing, whatever they're using to edit the product, and get it sent out. With the host is some sort of money involved, even if it's just pennies. Learn that, understand that, get out of the mindset of looking for the free way, because the free way is going to have you broke. It's going to have you minimizing your brand, bringing down your value, and people wanting what you're selling for free because you got it for free. Get rid of that mindset, especially nowadays. This is not the time to want to low budget and low ball. I'm here to help you get what you're worth in business and life. You also want to get in the habit of learning how to bring things to you, learning how to manifest your vision and what it is that you see for yourself. Nobody else sees it. Nobody else will understand as much as you may talk about it. You have to learn how to call things to you. Excuse me, I'm a little under the weather. Learn how to call things to you with writing, doing affirmation, prayer, or speaking to the universe, whatever. Get into a routine. And some of y'all may be like, you know what? Everybody says this. Everybody says, yes. Because everybody's not doing it, but this is the way. Everybody is not getting up at 4 a.m. even though everybody keeps saying you need to. You see? Come up with a routine. Come up with a schedule for yourself that incorporates you and your self-development as well as the functioning of the business. Because as you grow, you're only going to get bigger, meaning money-wise and brand-wise, and you want to already know how to manage your time and budget your money. That way, when the big bucks roll in and you start to wanting to invest, you know kind of what you're doing to some aspect. You're not going to be a pro at investing, but you're going to know, okay, we know we need this XYZ to survive. And now we're incorporating this. Okay, we're going to send this over here. Let's see what this does over here. So you have to have some type of mindset of wanting to know and not just wanting to make money, because you're not going to have success that way at all. Affirmations have gotten me a long way on my business journey. So I do want to share one with you. It's something that you can repeat. If you're going to do affirmations, remember you want to repeat them 3 times. Some people may follow that 3-6-9 method. That is perfectly okay to do. You want to affirm things with intent. Whatever you're speaking to yourself, be intentional about it. Make it have a meaning. Give it a purpose when you talk about it. You're not just going to say, I always have more money than I need. No, you don't. I always have more money than I need. I cannot help but to attract a lot of money into my life. Speak it intently. I always have more money than I need. I cannot help but to attract more money into my life. Like you looking around at the money, you have to be intentional about it. You have to have some feeling towards it, some where you want to bring it out. That is a key thing in doing affirmations. And I know some of y'all already know how to do affirmations or whatnot, but not everybody does. And not everybody knows how powerful they are. Granted, every single one I cannot guarantee is going to come to light, but majority of the things that you start to call into you will come to you. Learn how to write. You don't need to write a novel. You can just jot things down daily. Get it out into the atmosphere. Bring it to you. Bring it to truth. Bring it to light. Write down the steps for your business. Where do you want to be? Where do you want to have your grand opening? What are you selling? I can go on and on and on about that alone. Y'all who follow me know how I am about my affirmations, manifesting, doing my sage, having my altar. You just need your safe space. I can't stress it enough that personal development and self-improvement. You got to lead by example for yourself. That's the key. To put it in layman's terms, that is the key. Because as you look at those who have made it, that you're aspiring and looking towards for mentorship, they started off back here with you, where you were. But they worked on themselves. They worked on their business. They learned how to let certain tasks in the business go and build a team. I'm going to be talking to y'all about that team. Teamwork make the dream work. But y'all not listening. Y'all not listening. So that's why we are here today. Thank y'all for tuning in on tonight's episode. We will be back here weekly with all kinds of topics: health, wellness, fitness, everything. Fit with Hips TV is here to help you grow and develop. And we are going to get you there one way or another. See y'all next week.